Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you why is there a green line on your iPhone screen. If there is a green line and it's going all the way through the phone, either horizontally or vertically, no matter if it's in a center or off center, it is the display fault. And the display is probably just not working. So what you can do with it is replace the screen, and this is the only thing that you can do. You can also live with the line if it doesn't affect your usage. It's only there just like showing, and it's just there and it doesn't affect your like touch screen capabilities or stuff like that. Then you can live with it, right? But the only way to fix it is to simply replace the screen. So not that simply. It's quite pricey, but as I said, this is the only thing. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.